Welcome to Phonax for Beginners. I am Kilabi, and today I'm going to be teaching you a kind of different phenomenon on your Android phone called screen pinning. Screen pinning is a way for you to keep phone borrowers away from other apps in the screen on your phone, except from the particular app that you gave them the phone for. So now, how do you do screen pinning, or how do you on it? The first thing you do is go to settings on your phone. Sorry, but I have an app lock here. Now on settings, you go to security and location. On some Android version phones, you see only security. Then you scroll down until you see screen pinning. I don't really know if there are particular phones which are um, compatible with this, but I'll make my research later and put it down on the description. So please look at the description for any additional info. So now here you see when the setting is turned on, you can use screen pinning to keep the screen on view until you unpin. So now I'm on the screen pinning, and then you make sure that this particular one here is also on the place where they say ask for unlock pattern before unpinning, or in your case if your password is a pin or if your password is a password, they will say ask for unlock pin or ask for unlock password before unpinning. Now you should keep this button on, because if it's not on, people can easily just escape from the pinning if they don't know your password. So now if let me demonstrate how this screen pinning works. So now I go to an app, Book of Jokes, I click on it, I wait for it to load. Then see there are three buttons. Yeah, I click on the navigation button, not the back and not the home. I click on the other one, and then on the screen I see this pin right here at this place here. Then I tap on it, and they say screen is split if you want to unpin. Touch and hold back to unpin. Got it. So you can easily demonstrate this. Can't go away. Then if I eventually go away, it's to the home screen. Done. An illustration of how you can pin and unpin your screen. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thank you very much.